What's good? What's goody? What's happening? This your boy Ben, and don't forget Bentastico. Right now I'm currently in Jacmel. I'm currently at my cousin's house, and we got two fellas that climb up the trees about to get me some mangoes. Alright, so since they climbed the trees getting me some mangoes, I just wanted to record a little video and show y'all how people climb trees out here to get mangoes in Haiti. Alright, so come take a look.
Bentastico beats. Bentastico beats.
They're on top of the trees of the mango tree right now with a little bag. I'm gonna just call it a bag, but it's called a sack. They just grab the mango, put it in there. Sometimes just shake the branch, and then the mangoes fall down. So as one of them was shaking the branch, one of the mangoes fell down. As y'all can see, I'm about to just. It's how you're supposed to eat a mango. I see people take knives and cut and do. Nah. This is the right way to eat a mango. You get the mango, grab it from the tree, falls down, whatever, boom, you catch it, take it, you peel it off with your teeth. And by the way, this is Francis mango. This is the Haitian mango they bring to like New York or wherever you're from, wherever they sell at. There's certain supermarkets, you go, they have Haitian mango. This is the very popular one that they always bring. It's called the Francis mango, aka in Haitian Creole, Mago Francis. This is very delicious. Alright, so when you peel it off with your teeth, it come out looking like that, and then you just start eating it. Woo! This right here, this is literally like my second or third favorite fruit on the planet. This is the right way you're supposed to eat a mango. We're not trying to be no fancy and hold up, let me let the motorbike pass by. Alright, so this is the proper way to eat a mango. We ain't trying to be fancy, taking a knife and slicing it and do it. I mean, if you want to do that, you could do it. But out here, man, Mother Nature create things for us to eat a certain way, and I personally feel Mother Nature did not create a knife, so therefore there's no reason why we should be slicing and doing that to the mangoes. We have teeth, you know what I mean? Peel it off and you start dogging it. Honestly, I could literally eat like 10 of these. So when they done getting all the mangoes from the tree, we're about to go inside. I'm about to get busy. You heard? Busy. It's your boy Ben, and don't forget the Bentastico. Ooh, look at the skills. Hey. Ooh. Hey, I see the skills. Ooh. Beautiful Francis mangoes. Beautiful Francis mangoes. Alright. So I just showed y'all how, out here, how they get mangoes, how they go up the trees, they climb the trees. Sometimes they use something called a gol. A gol is basically a long stick with a V-shaped point, and they use it, they point it up, and then they, let me show you an example. Imagine, right, the mangoes is attached to this, all right, like this, right? So they use the gol, which is a long wooden stick with a V point. They use the gol to go under it and twist it to snap and break the little point that's holding the mango attached to the branch so it could fall down. So there's more than one ways how out here we get mangoes. So a popular way is climbing the tree, like the two gentlemen just did earlier. It requires some skill. So if you're not built for this, you will not be able to climb the tree. It takes a lot of skills, and you got to know what you're doing so you don't fall and hurt yourself and die, because there's some people that fall off trees and die. Especially if you got to know how to step on which branch, because certain branches might not be able to uphold your body weight. So if it's too weak, it could snap with you. So you climb the mango tree, you go up, and sometimes they went with this little sock. So it was taking them down, put them in the sock, shaking the branches. Some were falling down on the ground. And if they wanted to, they could have went on top. They could have climbed the tree, go on top with a gol, which is the long stick with the V shape, and just snap it so the mangoes could come down. Alright, so this your boy Ben, and don't forget Bentastico. Mago Francis Mango.